Introducing a canvas that breaks today's boundaries to make room for your imagination. Imagination that builds vibrant worlds, packed with rich detail at a scale previously impossible, allowing you to tell expansive stories and create immersive experiences in a heartbeat. Imagination that dreams up the cities of tomorrow, creating elaborate constructions that are instant and accurate, allowing you to iterate without delay and explore from every angle. Or if you need to step back, to design on a different scale, to make everything and everyone flow. Imagination that uses AI to interpret language, shape better recommendations, or find disease faster, using the largest datasets imaginable. Powering your entire AI workflow, building and testing in no time with Intel's AI accelerator engines. Whether you're working in astounding detail or at a staggering scale, the wait is over. Unleash your imagination now.
Hi everyone, I'm Roger from Intel. This is an exciting day for us and for the industry. Today, we are announcing our new Intel Xeon W processors, which will power the next generation of workstations. Professional innovators around the world use powerful workstations to create, build, invent, and make the world better. Intel has a long history of delivering leadership workstation platforms, and for nearly 20 years, the Intel architecture has been the workstation of choice for software developers, scientists, creatives, and engineers, all relying on Intel's high-performance computing and rock-solid stability. Any improvements we make to the platform accelerates their ability to change the world. Over the past 5 years, the compute demands of professional innovators have exploded. 3D artists, visual effects studios, and game developers demand a robust workstation to render, edit, and develop hyper-realistic digital stories, worlds, and experiences while working under tight deadlines. Engineers and architects want to develop, visualize, and simulate their designs in real time, saving time and money. Data scientists and artificial intelligence developers analyze terabytes of data and create deep learning algorithms used for image recognition, retail recommendations, generative design, and more. As their compute demands grow, our latest products are designed to unleash their innovation and creativity. Today, I am excited to introduce our new Intel Xeon W 3400 and Intel Xeon W 2400 processors, formerly codenamed the Sapphire Rapids family of workstation CPUs. This platform includes a breakthrough new compute architecture, manufactured on the Intel 7 process, and introduces our new Golden Cove CPU cores, offering almost 30% more performance per core compared to our previous generation platform. And Intel EMIB packaging, allowing for up to twice the number of cores per CPU socket. Designed for professional creators, engineers, and data scientists, this platform includes industrial-grade features for the most demanding user, including third-generation Intel Deep Learning Boost to accelerate deep learning and AI algorithms. Intel vPro Enterprise technologies for improved system manageability, and RAS technologies to ensure workstation uptime and minimal interruptions to a user's workflow. It also features the latest platform technologies like DDR5, PCIe Gen 5, and Intel Wi-Fi 6E. New Xeon W-powered workstations are built for today's most demanding workloads and for the workloads of the future. We're excited, to say the least. I'll hand it over to Jonathan Patton from our product team to share more of the details.
Hello everyone, I'm Jonathan Patton from the Creator and Workstation Solutions team. By the numbers, this new Intel Xeon W platform features a breadth of improvements. Up to 56 cores in a single socket. Core counts that on previous Intel-based workstations would need 2 CPU sockets to achieve. Up to 4.8 GHz of Intel Turbo Boost Max Technology 3.0 for increased system responsiveness to help you stay in the flow. And up to 4 terabytes of DDR5 memory capacity, delivering over double the memory bandwidth over previous generation DDR4 memory. And up to 112 CPU PCIe Gen 5 lanes for system expansion delivering nearly 4 times the PCIe bandwidth over previous generation workstation platforms. Comparing to our previous Gen 28-core processor, we see a 28% performance increase in single-threaded tasks and more than twice the performance in multi-threaded tasks with our new flagship 56-core processor, the Intel Xeon W9 3495X. In Spec Workstation 3.1, a benchmark designed to test total performance of a workstation, we deliver up to 140% more performance in workstation workloads. In the media and entertainment space, we see up to 130% more performance, ensuring artists can achieve more iterations on their projects to further refine their creative vision. For the engineering professionals, we deliver up to 70% faster performance in modeling, simulation, and visualization. In the emerging data sciences, we see up to 75% faster in scientific computing and analysis, delivering more and higher quality data insights. I'll hand it back to Roger, who will show our new Intel Xeon W platform in action.
We all know that reality capture is becoming ubiquitous in many fields: architecture, city planning, movie making, and game development. These types of workflows highlight the compute power that is required for engineers and creatives to bring their visions closer to reality. Let's look at a workflow created by the 3D artist, Stefan Ivanov, to recreate our headquarters in Santa Clara. This process starts by taking hundreds of high-res images and importing them into one of many reality capture tools available. In this example, we're going to use the software called Reality Capture by Epic Games to create a point cloud. However, our headquarters has a lot of reflective windows, which is a challenge for this type of reality capture. To make a more accurate model, we're going to use the point cloud data to create an accurate blockout model of the area in Autodesk 3ds Max, including the locations of the reflective windows to create a more realistic looking model. We can now break the model into modules in 3ds Max and use the scanned data to bake the textures onto those models. The next step is to take the data into Substance 3D Painter by Adobe to prepare the texture set for the full PBR materials, which contain the needed texture information for tools like Unreal Engine 5 to make a rock look like a rock and an ear look like an ear. All of this allows us to digitally recreate a version of the Santa Clara headquarters, ready to import into other tools. Now let's load the model into Unreal. This whole workload has benefited greatly from the increased performance of our Xeon W processors, enabling creators to iterate more quickly and see the direct results of their choices faster. Now let's see how that model import into Unreal turned out. Virtual production is transforming the media and entertainment industry. Intel is proud to work with the leading companies that are driving virtual production, ensuring they have the processing power and I/O capabilities in their workstations to meet their constantly evolving needs, both now and in the future. Film directors need to see in real time what's happening in the scene, and they need to be able to quickly move or change background details. And as their scenes grow in complexity, they require more powerful workstations. Hey, wait, this is the old logo. We're not supposed to use this anymore. Can someone please fix this? Thank you. Now, we spend most of every day at the corporate office, but let's go someplace a little more exciting. This is cool. But how about something with a little more nightlife? Now this is more like, hey, wait a second. I recognize this place. This is dystopian future Danger Alley, with all the special effects turned on, and with the giant mutant monster dogs. Great. Maybe this detour was a bad idea. We better get back to the office. But before we go, this whole production was shot at an in-camera VFX studio. In-camera VFX production is a sea change for television and films used for real-time composition and set changes, and dynamic movable lighting for the most demanding production needs. Unlike green screens, this allows the actors to fully interact with their environment and create a more natural performance. This whole volume is powered by Intel, and the VFX set is driven by our new Intel Xeon W processors.
Thanks, Roger. We are excited to bring over 50 workstation designs to market with our OEM, ODM, and local OEM partners. Let's hear from some of our partners in the industry about their workstation solutions they are bringing to market.
At Dell Technologies, we're eager to be here today with Intel, introducing the new Xeon Workstation class processors. With the faster core architecture, up to 56 cores on a single socket, along with the breadth of technologies that the Xeon family brings to the table, we will drive faster performance, deliver more productivity to our customers. As we think about these customers, there's a spectrum. You have customers that are more interested and have workflows and applications that are more centered around single-threaded performance, and you have others that are going to be more reliant on the multi-threaded. So let's start with those single-threaded customers. In this case, the 4.8 gigahertz of turbo boost is going to be a game changer. For those that care more about the highly multi-threaded applications, the combination of expansive core count and up to 4 terabytes of DDR5 memory will bring extreme performance to complex computational fluid dynamic analysis, reality capture, product simulation, as well as AI and data science workflows where you're dealing with expansive data sets. We work to engineer the best workstations for our customers so that they can take their passions and purpose even further. Whether giving them more time for iterations, testing and analysis on projects, or giving the capability to take advantage of the most advanced features of applications, or even creating their own applications without the hitches, glitches, or downtime. We stand firmly behind Precision Workstations, their capabilities, knowing that they are the tools our customers rely on every day to get their best work done.
As we work with customers across the high-performance categories of our portfolio, this is the professional creators in media and entertainment, data scientists, engineers and architects. We're learning that they all face a common set of challenges. What we're seeing is that these professional creators are under a tremendous amount of pressure to accelerate their output. They want to make movies faster. They want to accelerate the iterations on their data. When we set out to develop a new product, and in this case a new portfolio, we always start with these customers. And during development of this product line, we met with hundreds of customers and we literally spent thousands of hours to understand how they work, understand the jobs to be done, the workflows they use. Ultimately, we wanted to understand what they need from their high-performance workstations that is going to enable them to be successful. The outcome of this work is our new extreme performance Z by HP high-performance desktop portfolio. This portfolio, powered by the Xeon W processors, will give professional creators and data scientists the scalable balance they need between CPUs and GPUs to provide the compute they need to change the boundaries of what's possible. We're very excited for our customers to experience a whole new level in high-performance compute with the Z by HP high-performance desktops.
At Lenovo, we're excited about the next generation of ThinkStations powered by Intel Xeon W processors. For our customers, it's all about the increased performance, which is imperative for engineers, 3D artists, research scientists, and AI practitioners doing mission-critical work in their respective professional fields. Our customers will be able to reach new levels of workflow acceleration across many different industries in design, rendering, visual effects, and simulation. These intense compute workloads require an increase in core count, core performance, and I/O and memory speeds to help them design and create. With the new Intel Xeon W processors in our ThinkStations, we are bringing all that and more. This new level of ThinkStation systems with the new Xeon W-based processors announced today and the recently announced Xeon Scalable processors will give customers choice, regardless of their required level of compute. Our customer insights guided the development of the ThinkStations we are bringing to market, and we are already seeing customer excitement with our next generation lineup. And the early benchmarks performed by the Intel team show an unprecedented level of computational power. We are giving customers the power and performance they need with the flexibility and scalability they want, regardless of where or how their workloads are executed. Thank you, Intel, for your partnership, and congratulations on today's launch.
We're very excited to pair the new Intel Xeon W processors with NVIDIA RTX 6000 Ada generation GPUs and our ConnectX networking to power the next generation of OEM workstations, providing the performance and features needed for today's AI-integrated design workflows. Traditional design and visualization workflows are evolving rapidly, thanks to significant advances in AI, photoreal rendering, and simulation. And exciting new opportunities like digital twins are set to transform product design, building construction, and industrial planning. As the complexity of workloads increases with the latest AI-augmented tools, applications, and 3D pipelines, so does the demand for significantly higher computing power in the underlying hardware. The next generation of workstations powered by the new Intel Xeon W processors and NVIDIA's RTX 6000 Ada generation GPU give customers what they need to meet the demands of today's professional workflows.
We have also been working with several other industry partners to bring the Xeon W family of processors to market, and they are just as excited as us. Intel W790 chipset motherboards will be available from ODMs like ASRock, ASUS, Gigabyte, and Supermicro. LGA 4677 compatible thermal solutions will be available from Cooler Master, EK, and Noctua, and DDR5 RDIMM memory will be available from the major memory vendors. We are excited as we continue to work with more industry partners to bring Xeon W to market.
Hi, I'm Paula Jinbo, Senior Director of Creator and Workstation Developer Relations. Delivering a high-performance platform requires both powerful hardware and a robust software stack. Intel has partnered with the leading software developers, hardware developers, and other technology leaders to ensure our new Xeon W workstation delivers the performance that professionals now expect. Across thousands of Intel software engineers, Intel delivers compilers, libraries, toolkits, and many lines of code into the open source community for third-party software developers to deliver better performance across a multitude of workflows. One example is the 3D creation workflow. Fabio Cislarczyk is a 3D artist and animator who uses a variety of applications throughout his 3D creation workflow to deliver visually stunning scenes and characters to the screen. Let's hear from Fabio on his thoughts about the new Intel Xeon W processors and how this platform improves his productivity and workflows.
As a 3D creator, I know the importance of having the right tools to bring my ideas to life. That's why I'm excited to share my experience with the latest Intel Xeon W processor, designed to handle even the most demanding workloads. With 56 cores in a single socket, these processors are built to meet the needs of creators like me. Creating higher quality content means being able to iterate faster. With his new Intel Xeon W processors, I can assign some of the cores to run a live render session in Maya, while I work on other tasks, like creating textures in Substance Painter, for instance. That kind of multitasking allows me to see the results of my choices faster, trying more ideas and refining the ones I love in less time. And with up to 4.8 GHz turbo boost, I can take the performance of responsive and interactive workflows just like these even further. The evolution of technology nowadays enables me to work almost at the speed of my imagination, featuring up to 4 TB of 8-channel DDR5 RDIMM memory. The new Intel Xeon processors are perfect for large datasets and memory-intensive workloads. ECC memory ensures system stability and less crashes, which is crucial for productivity, while having access to more and faster RAM allows me to cache highly complex simulations in Houdini and preview full sequences in real time. This means that I can adjust and iterate faster than ever before. Upgrading to the latest Intel Xeon W processor, I have been able to improve my workflow and be more productive, working more efficiently and effectively, allowing me to focus on what matters the most, the creative aspects of my work.
Today, we are also announcing that 4th generation Intel Xeon scalable processors will be coming to workstations with dual-socketed solutions from our industry partners. With the 4th generation Intel Xeon scalable processors announced in January, the Xeon W processors announced today, and workstations powered by our 13th generation Intel Core processors to be announced later this quarter, this represents our most comprehensive portfolio refresh of our workstation platforms today. We hope to kickstart a renaissance in workstation computing. To the thousands of people who've worked for years on this platform across architecture, manufacturing, engineering, validation, software, and performance optimization teams, you've worked tirelessly to bring the Xeon W platform to market, and I want to say a big thank you. You've built an amazing product. And for professional creators, engineers, data scientists, and innovators, every improvement we make to the platform can exponentially improve your ability to change the world. We can't wait to get these platforms into your hands to see what you can do. Thank you for watching.